Program number 8. Write a program in Python to get the following result. Take every chance, drop every fear. Do it in both interactive mode and script mode. So this is the output. Take every chance, drop every fear. Two statement is given. These two statement, how the output will generate. So how you will write a program for these two statement. Here I am going to show you three methods. So first method, put it as a hashtag for comment one line, then call print command. Inside of the print command, within the quotation, we should just copy in the first statement. Select it, copy it, paste it here. Otherwise you can type also. This is the first statement. Second statement, again inside of the print command, within the parenthesis, within the quotation, write down drop every fear, full stop. This is the second statement. Now we will see the output. Okay, exactly same whatever is written here. Now we will see in the second method. So first method we will comment it. Here. Then second method. Second method. So second method, what we do? We will call print command one times print command. Then within the quotations, we will write both the statement. Oh, 1 minute. Drop every fear. So both statement, just select it, copy it, and then paste it here. What happened? It is coming in the next line. What will do? You will go to the cursor and then afterwards backslash. Then here how it will come as a one line, there are two lines, this statement, because this is the one line. Just check it here. Okay, now you check it, your answer, it is coming one line. It is incorrect one. So in the second line, what we'll do here, we'll put it /n for next line. /n in Python we are using for next line. Now you call to the run command. See, already came the answer. Okay, so this is the second method. Third method, what we'll do here is also, this is one line, so then put it the hashtag. Then now you check it in the third method. Third method, print command. Inside of the print command, quotation on, then write take every chance. Then /n. Then enter key and then write within the quotation. Only one print command we will call, but line we will write in the different line. Statement will write in the different line. Every fear. Here. See, In the second method, within the one quotation and in the same line, just only one statement finished, then we are putting as a slash n. Here what we are doing, one line finished, slash n, then next line within the one quotation with the slash n. Here you can put it as a blank space also, without blank space also. Let's check the answer. Okay, so all the three output is same, programming is different. So you can write it any one method. Now uncomment. See, second and third almost same, but here we are writing in the one line. But when we have a 5 lines or 6 line statement, so that time this one is easiest method to write it. Now see, all the answers came. So this is the script mode. Now we will check it as an interactive mode, how we will write it in the same questions. What you will do, you write it S1, one variable you should write, and then within the variables you write that statement, take every chance, full stop. Press the enter key, write S2, interactive mode, only for one line statement. Then drop every fare, full stop. Done. Now what you will do, print command call. Inside of the print command, S1 comma within the quotation slash and call, then comma S2, close it. Now see, okay, this is the interactive mode. If I will call S1 only in the interactive mode without print command also, we can call it the any statement, then also output will generate. See, S1, but one line. What we required, both the statement we required at a time. So this is the correct method. Print S1 slash and S2 slash and new line will generate. This one will do as a quotation. S1 will not write within the quotation because S1 is a variable.